Hello friends, welcome to my channel Flight to Dreamland. So first of all, I owe you an apology because I didn't make videos for a long time because I didn't have enough time to make video of studies and part-time job. So now I have some free time. I will show you how to apply in Ontario colleges through OSAS portal, this Ontario Colleges.ca portal. So by this portal you can apply in many colleges in Ontario by sitting in India or in any other country. You don't need any agent or third party for doing your applications. You can do it by yourself if you have money and have one computer. It's so easy. So let's start. To start, you have to open OSAS portal. You can say OCAS, whatever you like. So here you can open the application portal. So here you can see the apply now portal, apply the tab, everything. So you can use this portal for two things. First of all, you can check your desired course in which college are available. Okay. Second, you can apply through this portal. First of all, I will show you how to search for the desired courses in the colleges and what are the colleges. So let's check some rare courses. That is, I think broadcasting is a rare course. Let's see. See, you can see the broadcasting, everything available in these colleges. Alcuin, Candor, Sentinel are Constaga is giving the broadcasting related courses. If you need a mechanical engineer, basically I'm a mechanical engineer. Okay, engineering technology, everything is you can see here, but there is a problem. The problem is that program information reflected below is related to Canadian applicants. This is for only Canadian applicants. This program availability, that is the programs open or waitlisted, everything is for the Canadian students. International applications should check the college website to confirm program availability, application requirements, or other information. So you can check the courses available in the colleges, but you cannot confirm that the seats are available or not. To confirm the seats are available or the program is open for the international students, you need to go directly to the college website and check the availability. So you can go to the college website itself. So I will show you. The second thing, I'm going to show you how to apply in the college's websites. So the college websites are present in this portal. This is a unified portal for all colleges in Ontario. So you don't need to go any separate colleges and check the availability of programs. You can directly go to this website and directly check all the programs available here. So let me show you. So here I will going to check. Click apply button. Apply now. So here you can see Canadian applicants, international applicants. Canadian applicants is for those who have PR or citizenship. International students is for all the international students from outside Canada. So let's check the more info. They are also given some information regarding how to apply academic documents, transcripts, international students fees and everything. You can check it later. I'm not going to show you this one. This is all some basic things. It's not necessary to show you. Just apply for international applicants. So here you can see the many colleges are listed here. Niagara colleges, Northern colleges, Lambton, Conestoga, Fanshawe, everything. Basically, I am studying in Conestoga College, so I would like to apply in Conestoga College once more. So here they are showing that what we have to do with the OSAS portal. Create an international application Cornerstone College. We list of available programs. Pay the $100. Some colleges they don't have application because Cornerstone College is taking $100. Some colleges is taking $150 for the application fees. This depends upon the colleges, and some criteria is also depend upon colleges. Also, you have to check the programs for your what are the eligibility criteria for the program, prerequisite programs. That is prerequisite requirements. Some of them requires a degree certificate. Some of them they don't have the degree certificate. They need only a +2 certificate. It's depends upon the program and colleges. So here they are given a view the status of the application, print acceptance letters, confirm. These are the things I will show you later. These are the key applications. Some tabs are given for the other information, admission requirements, document requirements, pays and awards and scholarship, etc., etc. So basically, actually, I'm only going to show you how to apply in the Ontario portal. This is for agents. The agents like some third-party agents. So we don't want this. Click this link. We need to click this link, Ontario College International Application Portal. This is for students. This is for agents. Agents are those who are doing, those who are having agency. This is not for us. This is for international students. Let's click here. This will take you to an portal of international Ontario College.ca. So here, if you have an account already, you can log in here. Because I don't have an account, I will sign up here. This is new user. So new user must have these things. So name, legal name, and everything you should give. I am giving my name. Anjit. My name is Kumar. This is not my actual name, guys. Don't think this is my actual name. This is my virtual name. So I will not going to show you my actual name here. So here to give to your email ID, your first name. Here you should give first name, last name, date of birth, email ID. Can confirm email ID. Copy paste. Password. I will do this. Okay. So 8 to 40 character letters and numbers should be there. Ask to record questions. What is the birthday born in? I will write Golf. Mother's middle name. I will type whatever I like. Why? Favorite vacation spot. Okay, I like Dubai. Here, Dubai. Things okay. You should be create. Oh, new user already exists. The email address. Please enter a different email address. Oh my God, it should be different. So I will write. Yeah. I'll write another name. Gmail.com. Guys, I have too much Gmail.com's email IDs. If you want to apply another, this is specific for Ontario colleges in Ontario. If you want any other colleges, you can email me. I will try to make videos on that other province colleges also, just like Alberta. If you want to apply in Alberta, I'll help you. I will research and I will give you a video regarding that. Okay, password. Okay, it's accepted. Okay, create. Yes, hooray, the account is created. So in order to access your application, you must first activate your account. Your account information and activation link has been provided. So here comes the under equals the application. We have to activate this one, activate this link. Congratulations, login. Okay, I will log in. So here you have to write email ID Ajit Arya 005 at gmail.com. Password. So login. So we are successfully logged in. They show some new applicant, first name, last name, date of birth, enrollment, email ID, current status. They are asking for current status. Okay, I am outside Canada. In Canada, refugee study permit. If you have study permit, you can ask for select for study permit. So you are outside Canada. You are new. No status in Canada. So you must type your passport number. I will type my passport number 00 2K. Yes, I'm applicant agree those house. Okay. So you have to select your country. I'm sorry, I didn't see that. Okay, let me check. Continue. Yes. You can see Anjit Kumar. Applicant pre-application checklist. Anjit Kumar. College. I'm applying for College Star College. Start my applications. Some things here you can read later. Otherwise, this will going to be very long video. So these are the things you have to fill here. Personal information, enter the personal information, agency or referrals if you have agency or referrals, program selections, education, supported documents, payment and fee, submit the review. We have to pay the fees, okay, don't forget. Mr. Ajit Kumar, okay. Do not use uppercase status, okay, status. Okay. Okay, Angi Kumar, yes, the name is real, yes, that's legal documentation. This should be your legal documents. If you select like this, you have to be careful about these things. Otherwise, in your study permit or some other things, offer letter, the name will not be correct. Okay, so you have to give your proper name as in passport, whatever you written in the passport. You must be give like that. If you not providing the name on passport, it will make some problems. Give the name as it is in passport. Your first name should be as in passport, last name should be as in passport, and check the legal name. Yes. If you have additional casual names, you can give there. Select the country of birth. I'm choosing India, my mother country. I'm male. Yes, with my voice you can recognize me as a male. I speak English. No, I speak Hindi. Okay, I'm from India. I speak Hindi. Okay, no problem. Or I speak Malayalam because I am a Malayali. Oh my God, this Malayalam is not. Yes, Malayalam. Current status is Canada. No status India. Passport number. Everything is given. I have to give my address. So address is Karukail. Okay. for number. If you don't have permanent number, don't give it us. Not necessary. Okay, not mandatory. City. Kerala. Oh, sorry. Alappuzha. Okay. Select country. Country in India. Zip code. Kerala. State. Zip code 6888501. Yes, current address. You can check this one. Phone number, mobile number, anything. You have selected India 91. Okay, we'll guess one. And for 555 3301. Okay, accepted. Email ID, father's name, something. I'm giving my name. I don't have enough time to spend here. Country, it should be India. Nine six. Let's make it 949. 555 7709. Okay, let me give something. Receive. Let me give father. Yes. Saving and renew. Okay. No. Are you working with agent? No. Referrals? No. No. Are you applying refer friend program? No. Are you student in colleges? No. Saving and renew. So two application process we have completed now. Choose the options to best English. I have completed, and we must have an English test. It's minimum. Overall 6.5 for IELTS and 6.6 for individual scores. So you must have an overall 6.5 and individual 6.5. If you are not, you can check this one. You didn't write, you can select this one. I wish to apply for English purpose. That's fine. I am completing English preparations. You are expect to complete the date. Okay, everything is fine. But if you want offer letter, you must complete the English IELTS test, and it should be uploaded in this portal. So first program choice. Where which you are going to apply. So I am going to apply for the fall 2020. So September 2020. Any credential. Okay, I will go for Ontario College Graduate Certificate. So here you can see construction management, computer application development. Okay, I will select this one. You can up to select three programs. Let me check. Okay, I will check another one. Fall 2020. Any credential type, concept. Okay, something like big data. The program. Okay, you can select up to three programs here for 2020, fall 2020. See, okay, here the programs. Applied manufacturing, computer application security. Okay, save and continue. I added these things. Educational history. You need to add educational history. Use the school you studied, the college you studied. It must be your college. First you have to give. You don't want to give the other things. College. I am studied in Anna University. University. Okay, country India. Program business management or mechanical engineering. nearly. Guys, I'm not going to be apply for this one because I'm already a student. Completed. If you have progress, you can progress. In progress, after completing the certificate, you can upload this one certificate. If you are in progress, you can select in progress. Because of completed, I will give completed. Credentials received. Graduate certificate done. You will require the proof of the school supporting documents. Okay, you have to give. Better you give college only. No need to each school. You will require to provide proof for each school you have defined. If you are for completing +2, you can give upload +2. After that, you can upload college. It's up to you. Here you can add English test score. So I will give a score. I did IELTS, right? They given a person PT, TOEFL, MATLAB, CL. Sorry, they didn't give any Duolingo so far. So let's check IELTS. If you want to have doubts about IELTS, I will make a video for that. Duolingo, if you request, I will make a video for that too. So currently I'm not uploading these things. Oh, they need one score test for at least one. Okay, I will give them. It's so easy. Date of completion. Okay, 2020 January. Or again 2020 the 0101. Okay, 6.5 for optional 6.5. I think 6.5. Yes, I provide. So you need to provide the listening score. Okay, 7. Okay, 6. Okay, 6. That's so easy. Okay, you will require to prove the English. So here you can see everything. You need to provide the proofs for whatever you are typing here. So these are the documents you have to upload here. Your birth certificate, citizenship papers. I think it's not necessary. Maybe you can upload for Aadhaar or PAN card election ID. Refugee documents. You don't have refugee documents. Citizenship papers. I don't think so needed. Passport. Okay, you need passport. You need to upload passport. Permanent residence card if available. You can upload permanent residence card. Final graduation diploma certificate, proof of enrollment letter, professional certificate, transcript, everything you have to upload here. You have to make for mark sheet. You have to compile all the mark sheet. Maybe 12 mark sheets are available there. This 12 mark sheet you have to 8 mark sheets. So 8 semesters you have. So you are engineering. So 8 mark sheets you have to compile into one PDF and upload. It's better. That is better for them to check. So here you have to upload the IELTS score sheet, visa documents. After you get everything, you get to work with study permit. You have to upload here. Program specific document requirements, portfolio, resume, your portfolio, everything have to upload here. Okay, continue. So after that you have to payment $100 for here, $100, and submit the documents. And after that, maybe in a 1 month, they will review all these things, all the everything you have provided. So they will review your applications. Be sure that you are uploading correct and legal documents. Otherwise, they will reject your application. If you reject application, you don't get an offer letter. So it's necessary to you upload correct applications for this one. Otherwise, they will reject your application. Some colleges, I will also make videos on some colleges that will provide you offer letter even if you have a gap for 1 or 2 years, or if you have a backlog, that is supplies about more than 15 or 10, 15, 20, I will make some regarding that video on that colleges too. So after uploading all these supported documents, you have to payment $100. Do the payment by credit card or debit card. You can pay the payment and submit the applications. That's everything, and they will send you a confirmation confirmation email to your email ID. After that, maybe you have to pay $1,250 CAD to the college fee for finalizing your seat. And after that, you have to make GAC. If you want to know about further details, I'm not good at the visa application, so I'm sorry, but I can give you about further details how to get a GAC certificate. That is already in my YouTube. You can check there. If want to know further details, specific details, I will make make videos for that. Guys, please subscribe and press bell icon if you like the video. Otherwise, don't like it. Give me an unlike. Don't subscribe. Not necessary for me. This is only for helping the students who want to study in Canada and fulfill their dreams. Everybody has dreams. For my channel, I did name it "Fly to Your Dreamland." If you want to know about some other countries' study programs, everything, I will also help you. I have lots of friends worldwide. Don't worry about it. Guys or girls, I will give you valuable information before coming to Canada. After coming to Canada, everything I will give you. Thank you so much for seeing this video. I know this video is too long. You should know this. The video is purposeful and it's useful. So you don't want to give any money to your third-party agents. So you see. So thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you.